Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. This is a T600 from Solifer. It's called an Emotion. That's a sort of name that lots of camper companies use. This thing here is going to cost 90,000 euros, 596 centimeters in length, 230 in width. So it's relatively compact. It's very tall. Lots of space up there. Lots of space indeed up there. It's on a Fiat. Not many Fiats have this much space in the van. Of course, I mean, it's a semi-integrated, so whatever is at the front doesn't really make that much difference. It's not a camper van at the end of the day. Anyway, sink, 2 burners, got a oven down here. Don't know if you can see that in a 6-meter vehicle. Of course, ovens are options, which you can put in, I would say, almost every motorhome. Side bed over here comes with a open it. Can't open this. That was my fault, I couldn't open it. Light comes on immediately. That's nice. Very big wardrobe, lots of place to store your stuff there. And at the bottom we've also got a drawer. Right, storage at the back here, very nice, although I don't like the corner bits being wasted. So if anybody from Solifer is seeing this, stop wasting the corner bits and use that. Headboard, very elegant look to this. Now I've seen this very same layout in other vehicles, but none have I seen it as nice and elegant as this. There is a curtain around the bed, so you don't have to see what else is going on. And through here you will find toilet, and at the back a shower, and it's got a big thing there to hang your socks on when you've washed them, if you wash them at night. It won't be dry in the morning, but at least it's there. We've got a big mirror there, storage, there's a cupboard, and we've got a sensible sink with a ledge around here, and under the sink there's also a cupboard. Now as I come out of here, I'll open this up, and there is the Dometic fridge. Oops, just knocked something. I don't know what I knocked. Oh no, nothing. This board here looks quite elegant, I'd say. Forward facing bench, but also with that extra bit down there, which that really appeals to me. Now that also appeals to me, the lighting up there. And they're lighting, these are windows, but the light will stream in. I want to show you how high the roof is. There's me. That's how high the roof is. Yeah, pretty good. Right, you can probably put some stuff in here as well if you wanted to. We've got this extractor fan from Baraldi, and great, very nice, very nice. I like this. It's a 6-meter vehicle. Now, this being made in Finland, one would hope it's relatively insulated. That's what I would want. And so it comes with all-year tires. It's got an outside shower. It's got an oven. Well, you saw that. And what else it got? It's got a marquise. It's got a marquise. What's that name? Awning. And this thing, it's got a satellite antenna, which fully automatic, and it's got a thing to carry 2 bicycles on, which we haven't seen yet. It's got a seat down there as well, so you can sit there and take your shoes off before you come in. Actually, in the 6-meter class, 6-meter motorhome, I'm going to say this is my favourite I've seen here. I'm putting this in first position. This is all right, mind you. It's one of the most expensive, but it's not that much expensive. You can see something. You can see the same layout, for example, in Roller Team, for example, and it's almost cost the same amount. I mean, it's probably made in the same factory as well. Well, no, it wouldn't be, because this is made in Finland, but it's using the same technology as the Roller Team. But this is much better. This is really quite nice. Okay, let's come out and have a look at the back of this vehicle. Oh right, I thought it had a bike rack for 2 rat bikes. Well, that's obviously not there. Or maybe they'll put it on later. We've got a bit of storage under the bed, but there won't be much. But the bed is also accessible from. So the storage under the bed is also accessible from the inside. There's the outside shower. You can see it goes back quite a way though, and you can possibly make out that you can actually lift the bed up. Anyway, actually that's storage is more than I thought it was going to be. So there you have it, T600 Solifer Emotion Caravan Salon, Düsseldorf. Thanks for watching and all the best from me. Bye for now.